Hey guys, so I'm here to show you guys how I made that ghost face squishy if you've seen. So you're gonna have a squishy. You could like have a squishy already made, or you could just make one, but I'm using this one. And you're gonna want to use 3 drops of food dye, and then you're gonna have your squishy face down and pull it, and then you're gonna pull it really tight like this. And then you're going to use a zip tie to close it off so that none of the food dye will leak, and you're going to want to cut it off. And then you're going to cut the excess off, and then she'll look like this.